Welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School, Benghitara, and today we are in the fourth lecture out of all five, and for the subject entrepreneurship, and for the chapter entrepreneurial opportunity, this is the chapter number 1, and today we are going to cover some of the subtopic spotting trends. That is the main heading, spotting trends. Under this 4 subheadings are there: generation of idea, idea fields, transforming idea into opportunity, and idea assessment. Before I start my video, I would recommend you to take one notepad and a pen to note down the important notes. Moreover, you do not forget to do your assignments after watching this video. Okay, so guys, from last video lectures, we are particularly following one table, that is spotting an idea, finding out an innovative idea. After that, we have to scan environment, we have to develop, select a product and set up an enterprise. This flow chart we are following since video lecture 1, right? So what is spotting trends that we are going to relate it with this flow chart today? Spotting trend. The new trends in the market, which help entrepreneur to develop a new product, right? So what are these spotting trends? The new trends in the market which help entrepreneur to develop a new product, right? New product means whatever new existence, new launch in the market is there, that is identified by an entrepreneur, and they are the new trends. Of course, new trends, because without coping with the new trends, you cannot cover up, capture the market, right? So this is known as spotting trends, alright? So what is generation of an idea? See, spotting trend, you are thinking that this particular opportunity is lying in the market. This is kind of an opportunity you have seen. So opportunity, after watching an opportunity, you always connect with idea. You always come up with an idea, okay, this is a good idea, I should do a business in that particular idea. So you come up with an idea. So how the generation of idea take place? How these ideas generated in our mind? From where these idea arises? These questions always comes up in the student's mind. Ki, okay, if I have scanned the environment, so what are the various sources from where these ideas comes? So let us go into the deeper section of it, generation of an idea. It can be defined as a conscious endeavor to different sources of idea to find answer creatively for the problem. See here, it can be defined as a conscious endeavor. Endeavor is effort. Endeavor is effort. So it can be defined as a conscious endeavor, conscious efforts we make. A particular, who is making the conscious efforts? This is entrepreneur. So entrepreneur makes the conscious efforts to find in particular form it will come to you, but it can come in any form from any person as idea to you, right? But there are different idea fields. There are different idea fields. What are idea fields? The sources of spotting trend are known as idea fields. Can you see it? See, the sources of spotting trend are known as idea field. The sources of spotting trends means what is the source, what is the way, from where are you getting an idea, right? That is the source, and from there you are getting you are spotting a trend, and then it is known as idea field. From where are you getting an idea? Now we are structuring some idea fields. I hope you are done with this spotting trends and generation of an idea. I hope you are writing it in your fair notes, because I am rubbing it and this will be lost again. So I am repeating it. Generation of an idea, conscious endeavor, from different sources, act creatively for the problem. Is that clear? Okay, so idea fields, there are so many idea fields, and where we are working for, this is, I hope this definition is clear to you, that is spotting trends. From the sources from where we are spotting trends are known as idea fields, and these idea fields are of 7 types, for which I have given a mnemonic to it. It is not relevant to the syllabus, only for remembering I have given this mnemonic to you, that is nest.com. IDs, we make IDs, no? So likewise, this is nest.com. What it stands for? N, natural resources. E, existing product. S, this service sector related. T, trading related. C, creative efforts. O, other considerations. M, market driven. exist in before 40 years also, but those products are existing today also, but the difference is of technology or something else, right? Improvement is taking place in those products, and today also we are using those products, but in different from different technology, different cost, everything is different, but products are same, right? Many products are like this, such as existing product and services, like idea from existing product but in improved way. We get that idea in improved way. For example, if we talk about the watches, so watches used to exist before 50 years also, before 100 years also, and today also watches exist. But what type of watches were there before 50 years? What type of watches we see today? Difference is there, right? Before it was the tick-tick kind of big dial, chain one, and today we are having watch, digitalized watch, right? Traditional watches to digitalized one. And today's watch is not only performing one function, that is showing time. They today record your heartbeat also. They today tells you how many steps you take. They today tell you what are the notifications on your phone, like the iWatch, right? So today's watch is performing many functions only after accepting time, only showing the time, but it is showing up many other functions. So this is the change in the traditional to digitalized. Likewise, so many all products are there which are improved quality. Like let's talk about the computer. Before computer, you know what type of computer we used to use? Desktop, a bigger picture tube monitor was there, and that too speed was slow, cost was high. But now today we are shifted to tablets, laptops with a lot of features. You would be able to tell me its feature better than me. So today there are a lot of features in laptops, tablets, and before 20 years the computers we were using, they were of slow speed, high cost, and they were not giving so many functions to us. So likewise, so many products you can take and you can identify that yes, the improvement has been done in these products, the improvement has been done in these products, and we are leading a changed life today because of this product idea itself, right? Third, we are coming on next, service sector related. So all the ideas are not in the manufacturing term. Remember it. All the ideas are not in the manufacturing term. You cannot manufacture all these things. You have a lot of scope in today's era in service field, in service sectors. Like for example, transportation, banking, insurance, advertisement. Are you able to see this? I know you know about what type of services we have, and all these service sectors have a lot of scope to earn. You bring some innovation, you bring some ideas, and to launch your product in service sector, or you can earn a lot from these sector also, right? Now we are coming on another one. right price. You see, this is very important. We are talking about the trading here. Trading is somewhat supply may take place at right time, at right place, at right person, at right price. That means the supplier has to be vigile that to whom I have to supply, at what price, at what place, and at what time. If a person is able to identify these opportunities, then trading gives a lot of profit in today's era, because from manufacturer to customer it is difficult to lead the product from one point to another, but this point can be successful because of traders itself. So traders are the key point of the distribution channel, and this distribution channel may be successful if trader is vigile enough to spot all these opportunities, right? I'm underlining it. Right place, at right time, at right place, right person, and right price. So customer should be satisfied at last. So if he is feeling convenient, if he is feeling satisfied, then obviously you will be going to earn a lot of profit out of it. Okay. Next, I hope you have done this. Natural resources, existing product, services. I hope this is clear to you. I'm going to rub it. Next, we are coming on creative efforts. This we have studied already. Creative efforts. See, creativity is a skill, is a talent. 200 people can study from same college, same school. They learn same thing, but how they are different from each other? Because of their skill, because of their creativity, because of their talent. So because of these things, persons are different from each other, right? So if these qualities are there in an entrepreneur, so of course he will be able to create a mark in the society for its product and going to earn a lot. Then how a person can get idea from different things? Like he can find out new product, entirely new product, which is not existent in our prevailing society. For example, before 10 years we got ROs, right? Aqua purifier came before 15 years approximately. So that was an entirely new product for our society. So that was new product entirely if you are bringing. Second, you bring invention. You do invention. Invention means you are a scientist and you are inventing something and you have identified from the 50 years you are trying to invent something and finally you have invented. So this is known as invention, which gives opportunity as creativity. Third, you do innovation in existing product. That we have studied. I am not going to repeat it. Or we find out new market, that means new audience, new customers we have identified. Suppose I was selling my product in Raipur, now I have started selling my product in Delhi. Then I have identified new market for my product. This is also a creativity. Next, new use of a product. Neither you have increased customers nor you have identified new product, but you have identified new use of existing product. For example, we discussed in the class once, if you remember, that toothpaste is there. So toothpaste is used for brushing our teeth, right? But if some burn happens, then we also apply toothpaste on our burn. So it is a new use of a toothpaste. Yeah, right? And some spots are there on clothes, then you apply toothpaste, spots will be gone. So likewise, these are the new use of toothpaste. So if you are creatively wearing new use of a product to your customers, then of course they are going to understand creativity of it and you are going to earn a lot out of this. Your sale will get increase of a particular product, right? So this is creative efforts. Now we are coming on market driven ideas. fashion or solving any problem. This is demand of society. So if you are able to create the demand, if you are able to spot out the demand, then this becomes your idea field and you bring up a new product, right? Second is our competitors. So if you are studying weakness of your competitor, then you can always bring a change in your product. You can bring always improvement in your product better than your competitor. Then customer will always attracted towards your product because you are identifying weakness of the competitor and improving your own product on the basis of it, right? This is a part of it would be market driven. There is a third part itself, market driven. Cost saving. So suppose you are getting a pen of rupees 20. You are getting a pen of rupees 20. Now you have identified a new technique. You have identified a new method of production. And this 20 rupees pen you are able to get the cost at rupees 10. Then this will be considered as cost saving. You are able to solve the cost of production 20 to 10 you have brought. So that means of course cost saving will be done and you can bring your product upliftment. Okay. Last is other consideration. What is other consideration? That businessmen should give importance to The process of evaluation, observation, examination and analysis to check the feasibility of idea. To check the feasibility of idea. How we can transform the idea? There are 6 things we require in it. Ideas should be there, then skills, then knowledge, competencies, opportunity and creativity. Once we identify our idea, identified idea cannot be applied as it is. Feasibility has to be checked. For checking feasibility, we have to take it through evaluation. We have to evaluate it constantly, observe it, examine it and analysis it and do the analysis of it. Analysis, these all 4 things can be done if an entrepreneur has ideas, skills, knowledge, competencies, opportunity and creativity, right? These all 6 things has to be present, right? So we have done here generation, idea, transforming. Now this is the last step. Just 5 minutes I will take. Idea assessment. We have to assess the idea. It is related with it only. We have to do the assessment of the idea because it has to go through the examination, analysis, observation and evaluation. So in idea assessment, first thing is product identification. It is very simple, product identification. First of all, identify the product. I will give you one example. See, this is a pen drive. This is a pen drive. This is a simple pen drive of costing rupees 300, right? And I am introducing a new product in the market, which is this. So if you open from this end, this is pen drive. If you open from this end, this is a pen. And if you only use this part, then it will become a pendant which you can use as a jewelry, right? And this I am selling for So these are the 7 points which we have to complete, which we have to go through in the idea assessment. So likewise, we have completed 4 topics. You can go through it, see it, and you note down and write down in your own language, right, in the fair notes. And do not forget to do the assignments. If any problem